Hello, everybody. All right, what have we got? Who have we got in here? Everyone, smash up the likes. If you are in here, that would be lovely. Thank you. Let me just click on this so I can see what's going on. Hey, Yesuge. Awful with names, sorry. Hey, Mirax, hey, Stephen, Ray, Runner, Mark, Senti, Glutametergic. Just call you Benji. And VJ, hello. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of, I guess, some analysis to start off with. Then we'll get P on the call as we always do on this. And yeah, after that we can have a little game of poker. I've got the poker tournament set up and ready to go. So we can play a bit of that afterwards. If anyone who was on the game we did last time, then yeah, you'll get automatic entry into this because that game was void because someone did not pay their entry fee. So yeah, you will be able to enter again. And we got a little bit of a trend line thingy-majiggy forming here. So we'll see how this develops. Not that that's very interesting at all. But yeah, Bitcoin's in just this weird like consolidation under resistance kind of zone again at the moment. It's not really done anything today. Like there hasn't really been a trade today to take. So obviously, unless you were trading Asia overnight and we had to move up, I can cover this move because this is a really interesting one. We covered this in the crew on the trading room yesterday for the crew. So we actually got this trade live, but it was a really weird one. So I want to cover this because it was a really tricky trade to take, but it worked out really nicely. And yeah, that's yeah, pretty good. So again, if anyone was watching the what was it, the morning update I did a couple of days ago, because I haven't done that one I didn't do a morning update today, but I did do, actually I've got it here somewhere. Can have a look. But I was talking about this as the weekly open as being the trade, and that's what we hit basically. So yeah, that was really nice. We had that trade. That was a trade that we had planned, and if obviously we lost that, then we were looking down towards this level. But we did plan the weekly open as the trade, and it paid off. So yeah, that's pretty good. Let me remove the alert for this because it doesn't need to be there anymore because that has happened. So remove alert. And let's zoom in a little bit and have a look at what we had here. So this is why this was so weird yesterday. Okay, because we had actually entered the trade on the trading room because at the time that we were doing the trading room, we wanted to catch a trade. We did see that this was the one that we were looking for. Maybe being a little bit impatient on this. And that was part of the, yeah, some of the weirdness that was going on is I entered into this trade here, like thinking, okay, maybe this could front run this level. But of course, you get the stop hunt afterwards and then you get your profit. You come back into the level that you were originally, kind of the reference level here. Again, like a typical, what would you call it, the Trident Quasimodo pattern playing out here with the change of market structure and then coming back into your reference of these lows. So we did have that trade play out. That was really nice. And we had the same thing on ETH as well. So we had identified this on ETH. Again, ETH went a little bit lower than where we were expecting it to initially go, but wasn't stopped out of that because I didn't see any real reason to not be confident in this trade. It seemed okay at the time that we took it, and there was a lot of weirdness going on in the market. Like when we were looking at it, I mean, it's only because we were looking in so much detail at this when we were doing the trading room. We were looking at what the order book was saying. We were looking at what exchange was moving price. It was, I'll cover that in a minute. But we had the same thing on Ethereum. We were looking for it to take out these lows, and again, this happened during the trading room. And we got into the long off of Ethereum as well. And I say for Ethereum at the moment, holding above this daily is looking really good. We've had a trade off of the VWAP today on Ethereum, which was nice. In fact, we've had 2 trades off of the VWAP on Ethereum today. Bitcoin a bit less. I mean, Bitcoin is just hung about in exactly the same area, so there's not really anything you can really say about that right now. I have taken profit on the long, and once again, I have hedged short. So again, the short that I had, that I took profit on, I have now compounded that short, so it's back into kind of my normal position size on that. And basically, yeah, just essentially flat on the market at the moment because yeah, I mean, it's a weekend, so we probably pump. And if I get stopped out of my short, which would be, well, it would be assuming this gets a break and holds, I would close out on my shorts, which will probably happen during the stream once I've had a few beers or something. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at on this. So we may get a swing failure pattern and then possibly move down towards this daily or towards the VWAP even. But yeah, we'll just have to monitor this through the evening. Hopefully there will be some kind of trade that we can get off of Bitcoin. So we have the potential swing failure pattern of the highs, and actually what I would rather see at this stage is a move into VWAP to take out these lows, and then that gives us the energy to break out. So preferred scenario would be a breakdown, take a long off of the VWAP and break out of there. Alternatively, maybe this just comes up, takes the highs, and in which case again I would think VWAP and taking these lows would be a decent trade, but would it be enough to bounce after a swing failure? I don't know. I'd probably take this into like the golden pocket area and then take it down to this daily or something like that. So that's kind of, yeah, where things are at with Bitcoin at the moment. There's just a bunch of nothing. It really is just like really not much that's yeah, been going on with Bitcoin today. So let me just have a look in the chat. So AJ, Spartan Wrestler, Alexandru, BB, Alex, Arnold, Tony P is here, Andy, Sam, Valdez, Merrick's already said, being crypto trader and crypto prince. ETH and other major alts just seem to follow Bitcoin's price action to a T. So say if I was looking to take a trade on BTC, couldn't I just mimic that trade on some alts as well at the same time? At the moment, yeah. And that's what you tend to get during these kind of periods of time, is it only really becomes like the end of the alt season or whatever you want to call it. Like it's towards the end of that alt season where alts really kind of take their own, do their own thing. But look, today you can trade things against Bitcoin. It's not really the large caps. Like the large caps do tend to follow, and then eventually they'll decouple. I do believe that at some point this year we'll see ETH decouple from Bitcoin and go on a run. I do also believe that Litecoin's going to go on a big run. I do also believe that Link's going to go on a big run. But these early stages where they're all just flying under the radar, they're essentially mimicking what Bitcoin does, but very slightly outperforming it. And I think that's just been a consistent thing. So if we if we go across any of the large caps and we say it's just that's generally the way that I'm seeing the market right now is, okay, Bitcoin from our lows down here up to our highs, 60% move to the upside, okay? But the alts, and this is what I mean, very slightly just consistently outperforming. So Ethereum, a 90% move to the upside. Okay, so outperforming Bitcoin. Litecoin, a 75% move to the upside. So once again, outperforming Bitcoin. Then you look at Link. We've had a 104% move to the upside. Again, outperforming Bitcoin. We look at DOTS. And you can go across the market here, 116% move up. We can go over here. We can look at Cardano, for example. That's another one. So we can look at Cardano, which has just gone pretty mental today. again, 104% move. So that's the thing at the moment is just Bitcoin. Yeah, the alts are mimicking Bitcoin, but outperforming. And that's the important thing. And that's why alts are now tradable, because as soon as they start to outperform, then that's when I look to trade the altcoins. Previously, during all of this, they were not outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the only thing you could trade because, generally speaking, the alts were underperforming on both USD and BTC valuations. So you can go to ETH BTC, and again, what can you see? It just kind of chilling out down the lows of this range, underperforming against Bitcoin, and now it's moving up in both Bitcoin pair and US dollar pair. Litecoin again, massive consolidation, underperforming. Suddenly we start to actually overtake. And that's why I trade alts. So that's the only time that I'll trade alts, is if alts are overperforming Bitcoin. And at the moment, they are starting to do that. Very soon they will probably really start to do that. And we've seen that today with Cardano. Well, not today with Cardano, but I guess the last couple of days with Cardano. And yeah, we're seeing that with some of the low caps as well. So they're starting to look really good. I did close out of a lot of my alt positions 2 days ago. And because I saw a lot of stuff topping out, like Litecoin, for example, did hit the target. This is what we were looking for from this trade. We were buying it down here and we were buying it here. Really simple trade, and we were looking at this 2018 all-time high as our ultimate target on this. Now if we break up higher, then we're looking at like $230 on this, so it's a really big potential move up that I do see on Litecoin. Same with Link. Is it basically reached that $28 area that we were looking for it to take out these highs and get between this $27 and $28. So that is pretty good on Link as well. So yeah, that's kind of the market in a nutshell at the moment. I think Bitcoin, I'd actually like to take a look at the RSI on this, and I would like to take a look at the MACD. Because what I think we'll probably end up seeing, actually no. So we do clearly have some bearish divergences going on the 4-hour chart, but if we do get a move up here, which is what I'm looking for 49 to 50k to this weekly level, it's not really, that would actually take out the highs, so we'd have to look at daily divergence. Again, we do have daily divergence on this, but if we get a move higher, then that's going to go. Like, if Bitcoin's going to correct, it kind of has to correct here, because I do think if we get a move up to 49, we'll see the RSI pop above here. Yeah. So for those of you who like to, trade the divergence, the RSI and the MACD, it does look interesting. Like, this would probably be the point that you'd want to be shorting Bitcoin. Because I think if we go higher, we're going to have to see some size, and that will increase the momentum on the oscillators. So we shall see. What we do have is a poor high, yet again, on the Bitcoin chart. So again, this was what we had as these highs are going to get cleaned up, and I'm fairly confident that over the weekend we do get a move higher. But whether we get that as a swing failure pattern tomorrow or tonight, I do not know. And maybe we come back into the range and we'll have to take a look at there. But yeah, on the TPO, we have to be aware of some stuff. These highs, not great. Yeah, I think it's likely they get cleaned up in the same way that we took out the lows from over here. So yeah, we will see. Auth Crypto, in 2017, we saw alts go up with Bitcoin during wave 5. I think that's where we are now. Look at that. There we go. We've just taken the highs. I think we'll take the highs, he says, and then we just take the highs. All right, this is fun. Okay, we've got a potential scenario here. We are pumping. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Right on cue, as if I throw my market maker mates again. Okay, we're looking up at this weekly level, unless this swing failure patterns. You got to look at 48k as well. Now we also need to look at bids got pulled, and we're looking, yeah, 48k for this move possibly. Let's have a look at the order book. Bids did get pulled, or asks did get pulled. That's big volume, big volume. Okay. Do I have? Yes, I do. Where did all that volume come in from? Where did all that volume come in from? Bybit. Certainly looks like a lot of buying on Bybit. We're at 250 million delta on a half-hour candle. Almost a billion volume so far, and we're 7 minutes into this half-hour candle. So within 7 minutes, we've had almost $1 billion. Jeez! Bybit doing the thing. Was this on any other exchanges as well? 9 million, 10 million, 11 million, 11 million. Just consistent, massive buying going on. FTX, let's have a look at FTX. Oh, thank you Bitcoin for actually making move. FTX as well, just smashing it. 19 million market buys on this. Not as big as Bybit. This looked like a Bybit move to me. Binance following 100 and so we had a 100 million market buy on Binance as well. 100 million bought at market on Binance. And we're looking up here. This is the one. We're looking at 48k. We've got to be aware of that, but then we've got 49 as well. This is where we could potentially end up. And at this stage I need to check that my short is I need to probably manage this. Long. I do have my Bitcoin long. That is good. I do also have my Bitcoin short. Not so good. But we will monitor how this is going. I have a lot of altcoin. I still have a dot and a link long open. I did close out of my Litecoin and Ethereum positions earlier on today. Ethereum has come in finally to the daily order block. So we front ran it earlier and now we've come in finally to that daily order block. So this could be a swing failure pattern on Ethereum. This was the resistance that we were looking at to be hit. And again, if you remain patient, looking at longs, then yeah, that's certainly resistance there. And of course, yeah, wow, Litecoin's holding up nicely. So Litecoin again, seeing a pretty decent move. How wrecked has Link got? Am I? Because I'm still holding these positions and still looking for these to take these highs. Still ultimately looking for 28 on Link. Yeah, nice move. Friday nights. Friday nights have been really good recently. Okay. All right, let me look back on the chat. Pump, pump, holy moly, pump. Always Friday night. OMG. Went up to 47. Woohoo. I was in a long. I was moving my stop loss up. And boy, did it went up fast. Yes. Is this Amazon buying their share? I wouldn't have thought so. I wonder, is this news driven? Does anyone know? Let's go on Twitter. Is there any news on this? Probably not. All you see is some like Eh, yeah, no news by the look of things. But this is mad. $115 million of Bitcoin bought at market on Binance. That's a big lot of money. Whoops. BitMEX not doing anything. So it does appear to be that this was a Binance thing and a Bybit thing. And a Bybit thing. Bybit did their part. A good $100 million here on Bybit. For a low liquidity exchange, that's pretty decent. So yeah. We'll have a look. Binance 30. Oh, right, I'm looking at ETH. Duh. Time to. Why is this not loading? Um. Okay, Okateki not loading. Okay, forget that. We can have a look at, like, literally nothing's working, so my internet's just like dead. Great. Okay, here we go. So yeah, we are looking at some serious resistance at 48k. Especially from... Oh, here come all my alerts saying Bitcoin up 6.5%. Nice, nice. I'm just considering what to do with this trade. Binance 48.1 wick was a heads up a few weeks ago. Oh, right, yeah, I know, yeah, I remember. Um, I would love to hear the sound effects on Agra for the market orders and people wrecked. Yeah, I don't have the sounds on for Agra, but it's not actually that many liquidations. Whoa, actually, yes, there is a lot of liquidations, but P, you're... maybe I just need to reset because this is flatlined. Whoa. Hello, luxury. Okay, what I'm gonna do, um, Senti Luxury P, do you guys want to join the call? If we do a Zoom call and we can cover this. Let's get a few of you guys in the room. P, we will do the raffle in a minute once we've covered this move. But for now, let's get some. Yeah, let's just cover the price action because this is cool. P and his template, man. Look at that candle. We're still going. We're still going up, 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 up. At this stage, yeah, that short can go, and I'll just let my long carry this move on a little bit. Forget that short. Okay. That was, yeah, like I say, like a hedge on Bitcoin. So when short. Here we go. 48. Really nice. Good fun.
Hello.
Hello, Senti.
How you doing, my friends?
I'm good. How are you?
Is everybody hyped for this fucking
Hold on,
Bitcoin
hold on,
move?
hold on, hold on, hold on. Man, I've not got your sound on here for some reason. Shit. Why is this not working? This is not working. Oh, for God's sake. Hold on, P. This isn't working on the stream. This. Okay, cool. Now people will be able to hear you, I believe. Cool. All right. Sorry. There's the test tone from everything. Okay. Cool. Now
it will be also cool if you can share the screen so we can also check what you're doing.
Yep. Of course. There is P and Senti in the corner. If anyone else would like to join the call, then feel free on the Discord just to tag us or something. I'm not going to do just open it up to everyone anymore because of what stuff that happened recently. but yeah, all right. I'll put my headphones on.
If you're sober, you can join. That's not a problem.
I mean, well, I'm not exactly. I'm never sober on a Friday night, but I mean, you could be
you're the host, so we cannot kick you out.
you can be drinking, but as long as you actually like make sense and just don't talk like complete nonsense, then you can join the call.
Okay.
All right, let me share screen with you guys. There we go.
I'm not sure if Senti's drinking something at the moment, but okay.
Senti will probably be on the gin. I've got the pink gin, Senti.
Yeah.
Pink gin for me as well.
Only the pink gin.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Okay.
I've got beer as well, but
the posh one, huh?
Yeah, the posh one.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, let's have a look at this.
I had a feeling, that's why I had to bring the gin out tonight. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What a move.
Okay, I just got a message from Luxury. He's gonna join in a few minutes.
Luxury will be joining in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm kind of sad. The only reason I'm sad is because I wanted to add on more size at the VWAP, and I thought we were going to get a swing down, clear out all those late longers, and then push up. That's what I was looking for.
Yeah.
So I'm not holding as big of a position as I'd like.
No, that's exactly what I was looking at.
I did that a little bit. Yeah.
Oh,
because I open it and then when I see the spot coming in, so I had a little bit more.
Yeah.
But my entry is not the best, but okay, it's fine.
My VWAP's not working. But yeah, I wanted to get a move down to take these lows.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for exactly.
Probably everybody was looking for that. That's why you didn't get
but I've got a sushi has been paying me nicely. Like sushi, it's the first altcoin I've traded in months, but I love you, sushi.
I wasn't sure if you were talking about the food or actually the coin, because you were just saying I love sushi. So
yeah, sushi's been really good recently. I haven't traded it, but what did we do on sushi? Oh man, yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's so nice.
It's clear accumulation at the lows there, bottom of the range. It's such a nice little range though, just like between here.
Oh yeah.
Really good. 1.618.
I had the Aggo Trader
that.
sounds
okay.
on, and the shit just went fucking insane.
Yeah,
like my ears were getting blown off.
Yeah. What, of this move here, or
No, off just the Bitcoin move right now. Just fucking buys like hundreds of millions at market. It's insane.
Yeah, that was nice timing for that move. Let me just check on the chat.
There's a lot of people sitting with conditional orders.
Mm-hmm.
Which was probably smart to do because as soon as it broke out, it just fucking ran. So if you hadn't, and all those market buys just come in conditionally.
Yeah, and a lot of stops.
A lot of stops. Yeah, exactly, and that's why you just get a huge explosive move.
Yeah, because that's
I should start looking for more of all those coins, because I never press any attention on it, and you can make a really, really nice money
on the alts. Yeah.
Definitely, yeah. I just
happy
them,
happy days for the trading room long that was taken yesterday.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
also luxury was over there.
Yeah, well, it was all the same level, wasn't it? So luxury was looking
at
a high volume node.
Yeah, coach corner.
So it's exactly the same price. And this is the amazing thing about TA. I hadn't seen that until after we did the thing, but I always look at like weekly open, monthly open, always a massive level for me. But what luxury was looking at is because obviously this weekly open will be a daily level in itself.
Yeah, actually,
so luxury was looking at the daily, and
plus it's an order block. Yeah. It's a massive order block.
Yeah.
And it was pretty early for us. That's why you didn't watch it. It was around 7 a.m. here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not waking up for that.
So I missed that one actually.
No. Sorry, he was doing a TA, on Twitch. So and it was pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, so if anyone, well, I hope a lot of people were watching that because it played out perfectly, and that's the thing. There was a lot of confluence there. Like for me, it was the fact that this was the the weekly open on this, but we did have the high volume node around here as well, and our value area low just below here of the range that had been put in. I mean, this wasn't the value area low at the time, but it was the high volume node that we had at the lows. We had it as the daily OB, and we had it as the weekly open, and yeah, same level no matter which kind of TA you were looking at. And also we did have this as, from a close perspective, and this is why we were looking at potentially this being a front run before it came into the weekly open, as we did have the golden pocket there as well. So yeah, really good trade. And I hope everyone is in, like, I know we covered this on the trading room and it was a bit of a sketchy one. I didn't feel too good because we knew that if this broke, then we were likely going to come down to 42,200. But the invalidation on this was if we lost weekly open, which never happened. And the same with Ethereum. We did take this trade on Ethereum. The invalidation on this was if we lost weekly open. Never happened. So yeah, the Ethereum trade was actually much easier to get into than the Bitcoin one. But yeah.
I remember it because it was like 4 hours trading room or so.
Yeah, I mean,
we were waiting and waiting, like crazy for the trade.
Yeah. So the 1-to-1 of the current move is sitting at about 50, just over 50k, and obviously it's a psychological level as well, but it's also quite a heavy supply zone. So I think we definitely 48. I'm looking at 48,100 to 48,300. I think we might have a swing down from that region and then eventually move up.
Yeah, we've got. Yeah, I think it's probably quite likely we do see another move higher because there's certainly interest in selling up there. I'm trying to use this for streams now because
Bitcoin Wisdom. I really like that website. It's really good.
Yeah, it's just a bit more responsive, although it's not the best.
It's the only website with an aggregated heat map.
Yeah, and then you got Bybit as well, which shows you it.
And actually, it's free, so that's pretty cool as well.
Exactly. So yeah, 48k. Yeah, we'll wait and see. See if we get another move higher on this. Trader JM, no, the crew raffle is not over. We did have a nice move, so we're just covering this at the moment, and then we will. I mean, actually, we may as well do. Yeah, we may as well do the raffle thing just quickly now as well. I see people like just just for those that are saying within the chat. I know it's a bit of a meme, but the fact is it's a New York close. It's not yeah. People who are putting a name to the time of when this has happened. I mean, it's just a normal time for you to get moves in the market.
Could have been something like dinosaur time as well.
I must be confused what you guys are talking about.
Confusion. Senti confusion. Oh, well, yeah, it is what it is, actually.
It always gets me when low. Anyway, should we do what should we do? Should we do a bit more price action stuff and have a look at this?
Yeah, why not?
Or we'll do the raffle in a minute. We'll do the raffle.
Actually, for the guys who didn't tag me for the raffle, they should, because I can see a few who didn't on the chat. So yeah, just go to general and tag me if you want to participate.
Yes. Hey, in a way, it's nice that we've got people from other communities in here. So welcome everyone from various communities here.
They are welcome here.
Everyone is welcome here. Welcome. All right. Things are looking good. I think we're going to see another. I think this could get a little bit of continuation here. So. I have now closed out that short position, and I'm just going to wait for. I mean, I'm very happy to take a short again soon, but let's watch this for a little bit. It'll be very nice if we do get up here. I don't think we're going to do this today. It'd be very, very surprising. Litecoin's back at resistance. So, oh no, I did close out my Litecoin trade. That's okay. I don't need to actually do anything with that one. Link as well. Dot as well. ETH. Kind of tempted to take an Ethereum short at this stage, but I will see if that happens. At Bitcoin, I'm okay with. I would like to see Ethereum come up here, but it's weekend, isn't it? So I think I'll be able to get a better position.
Ethereum's into the 618 big level.
Yeah. It does kind of feel, because it didn't quite reach last time, and now we're there. Let's monitor this. Ethereum will be an interesting one to look at. There's definitely an ETH short on the, possibly on the cards here. But a lot of this would depend on Bitcoin.
Everything's on the cusp of, in terms of altcoins, they're all up at resistances on the cusp of breaking out, like majority of them.
Yeah, and we've got a lot of, like, that's on the edge here. For Ethereum as well, like, we're on the edge, like, that could easily just fail and get another move down. at this stage. So, So this move was clearly a lot of stop losses. Yeah, a lot of stop losses being hit and a lot of conditional orders being hit. But it's now got to catch bids to push higher as well. Like that, from this move, I would imagine, just let's have a look at this. And let's have a look at the open interest. I'd imagine that's dropped, yes, of course. And so this is mainly off of shorts closing out, being stopped out. So we haven't really had that increase in longs. We have had a drop off in open interest. So now we've got to see if open interest can increase on this, and it's got to start catching bids, otherwise we're not going to get a continuation on this.
Where was the 100 million? At what price was the 100 million?
It was staggered, so it would have been stop losses.
Okay.
It was staggered through the whole candle, mainly up at the highs. There's a lot of trap traders up here, potentially, and the massive drop off in open interest. Was this? Because 100, that's a lot. That, and this was liquidations as well as stops. You have huge amounts of stop losses coming through here, and then really all the positions were up here. So if we're actually looking at this and then looking at ETH, because Binance was the one that really had all the volume coming in on this. Let's just have a look at this, because the more I'm looking at this, the more this looks possibly like a bit of a bull trap. Just because the open interest just isn't there to support this.
146 million in liquidations. Just in the last hour. So that's what it was.
Yeah. And that's why we got such a big move. So yeah, I'm looking at shorts again now. The more I look at this, the more I think we'll see what happens. We're going to have time up here as well. I don't think it's just going to crash down. But certainly Ethereum, I'm looking for a short. Bitcoin, I'd like to give a bit more time, because we're way up here at the moment. So I do think we'll chop around for a little while. But certainly Ethereum, I think this is a short opportunity. Not going to get sucked in by a nice pump on stream. Sorry, everyone who is here expecting a nice pump, but the more I'm looking at this, I do think it's a bit of a bull trap. But it's the weekend, so yeah, hey, we never know what will happen on the weekend.
Oh yeah, I love the weekends.
So even if this is a bit trappy up here, it wouldn't be surprising to see it take these highs out a couple of times. But yeah, looking at this now as a short opportunity at this stage. If we get up here, brilliant. But yeah, it's got to catch some bids. Got to see some buying coming in. Otherwise, this will not get any continuation. And so far, it has not seen any interest in buying it since those highs. This is just purely selling coming in right now. But again, that's going to mean that we do probably get a little bounce. Because we're like, the delta right now is...
I actually can read some comments like, why did we pick this time for streaming? And you are doing that every Friday, same time. So I don't know what. I don't know. It's not a coincidence. It's like it's every Friday the same. So
yeah, I mean, I always.
I not always would have such a move. So
yeah.
Luke is actually a market maker, so yeah. So when he comes on stream, he just does fuckery, so he gets some action.
I mean,
you shouldn't have said that, no.
Every Friday night that I've been on stream
then.
for the last few weeks, we've had some pretty decent price action. After I've been drinking, so yeah, maybe who knows what I'm doing in the background. I'm pretty transparent, but hey.
If you know, you know.
Yes, I want to say Adam Sosma. Yeah, we're covering footprints on the crew. Yeah, on the trading rooms. Yes.
Yes, we do cover all of that. This is we look at this with the trading rooms. We do a minimum of 3 trading rooms per week, all about 1.5 to 2 hours long. We're looking at trades to take during those time, and we pretty much always get a trade out of it. We will cover the entire trade as we're going through. We will take a trade, and my just to say how useful maybe this is, my $1,000 trading account that I did make for the crew membership, which was about a month ago, is now at $6,000. So it's a 6x.
Oh hell yeah, dude! 600% returns in a month. That's fucking insane. It's
on
really good.
on only the trading room account, and that's just my little account. And I'll be trading this one as well live when we do the trading competitions soon. So yeah,
Hey, let's see how far you can grow that account.
Yeah,
that'd be sick.
I'm just talking nonsense.
What's your average?
Huh?
What's your average position size on that account?
So I set up the account just for the purpose of these trading rooms.
Yeah.
And I just use, more often than not, it's just I just put full account in 1x on the trades.
Oh, but leverage is 1x usually.
Yeah.
Oh, then nice on 1x leverage, not bad.
Yeah. And that's just taking the trades that are on the trading rooms as well. So pretty good. I can't do bragging stuff on YouTube. It makes me feel so awkward. But my main account is that's certainly not my main account either. So.
But yeah, basically you're showing what you're doing, during the trading room. So
yeah,
I think that's pretty transparent.
Yeah. I mean, we're thinking of ways to make it more, so people can follow with the journaling and stuff. But Arsenal's still losing. Sorry, this is Luxury. Hello.
Hey.
That's the first thing I hear. Arsenal is still losing. How nice.
Typical you join at this point. I just saw Arsenal are dead in the chat. Are they still losing? You'd know.
I don't know. I was
the only one winning is you, Luxury.
I was on like a 2-hour drive and the internet wasn't great, so I had the game up and I saw it was 1-0.
2-0 Brentford.
2-0. Oh my gosh.
Maybe I should just put the stream on. I'll get the football match up and we'll just watch that.
Please don't do that.
Arsenal is shit. Like, how many years does it take for people to realize this?
Thanks. That's one bad call I made, I guess.
Yeah. I mean,
and don't write Brentford off this season. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah. I mean,
this is all scented, right?
Hey, the guy who scored Norgard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, straight up did his teeth.
What was I going to say? Yeah, Luxury, you're not really spoilt for choice in South London, though. Like, you're either Crystal Palace or...
Yeah, my dad's a Palace fan.
Yeah, everyone around here is a Palace fan.
Exactly. I know a few Millwall fans.
Yeah.
Fucking disgusting.
Also, for anyone who's not aware on the YouTube, I didn't even realize this when myself and Luxury started working together, but he lives like 5 minutes away from me, which is just the craziest thing. So
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's fucking creepy.
Yeah.
It was.
Maybe you've actually seen each other at the bus stop, don't they?
Yeah. I walk my dogs in the park that's like opposite your house.
Yeah. It's really very close to each other. Bitcoin's actually hitting the 618 of like the
yeah.
I'm guessing you've seen that anyway. But,
yeah, the macro kind of
secondary low peak.
Mm-hmm. So we are no, it's this one. Yeah. So we are in there now.
I took profit. I've just closed out. Well, basically the majority of that long from the daily I took.
On Bybit, whatever the open interest went up, it's just completely reversed. Like, that's it. Be careful.
Yeah.
Like, completely reversed. It's actually lower than what the fucking breakout was.
Yeah, I mean, it's starting to build back up now. I mean, it just has to catch some bids here, but I just that's like screaming short opportunities coming up right now. Like, I
On
think that's
Ethereum,
probably,
wow.
yeah.
I posted it just now, whilst I was on my way back in the coach's corner. I don't know if you want to share that publicly, but it's just all the reasons anyway.
Yeah, that 50K area is like, yeah, definitely. If you're in a long, take profit, like for sure, you know.
Yeah, 100%.
I don't know if you want to short it or not, but yeah, I mean, I will tell you to sell a little bit of your position at least, even if you're on spot, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking mainly at a short on Ethereum here.
Same.
We did hit 3,300, which again was the target for this. So where are we on Ethereum? It's just weekend, man. I'm really busy this weekend, so I don't really know if I want to be holding.
But you're always busy on the weekend, so
yeah,
it's not gonna be something
going
weird.
to a festival tomorrow, which we know.
One thing that surprised you,
Okay.
right? Is the strength of Cardano. Like,
Oh yeah,
ADA is like,
um,
why is it so strong? Like,
they-
what is going on there?
they've had another update on their smart contracts, so I think they've announced a date. And they've announced some projects on Cardano, so yeah, Cardano's going to go mad. Like probably it will have a run.
Yeah, I need to learn about it. I have no idea. Like, all I know is it's like trying to compete with Ethereum. That's all I know.
It's
Apart
an
that, I don't
amazing
know
project.
anything.
Yeah, it's an amazing project. It's one of my.
So it's to do with DeFi, yeah?
It's
that what it's to do?
It's everything, man. It's like
Okay.
it's I guess it's thinking about like what Cardano are trying to do is Ethereum being the AOL and Cardano being the Google. Like they just want to take the kind of technology that they're built. I don't look so much into fundamentals anymore, but I mean I accumulated a huge bag through like 2017, 2018.
Oh damn! You must have got in low then.
Yeah.
That's your market maker talking, you know.
I sold a lot, but I mean, I was just really into the project like a few years ago. I don't really know what they're doing anymore because I've just gone more into like flat trading. But yeah,
let me guess. Look, you sold something for the Euro final and Hollies, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh well.
I mean, hey,
you made 600% on your fucking
So
your
yeah,
account. Like, come on.
not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
What we could get here is
12th
some like
of
late
September
long.
smart contract release. Okay, that's why we're pumping. So yeah.
Okay, 12. No wonder. Okay.
Thank you for that, Merrick. I know, yeah, Merrick is a big Cardano fan. I know, and he's always on top of the news. I know if Ben from it's quite funny. We have the guys from Swissborg watching this stream quite often, and they're all like massive Cardano fans at Swissborg as well. So yeah. So Charles put out a video on Tuesday saying they give the date today, and it's going to be 12th of September. They've got the new smart contracts. So yeah, okay, that's why Cardano is pumping. And on the 12th of September, I will be selling my Cardano probably. So I'll put that date in the diary. Because if there is a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event, then I need to be aware of that.
So I use a website called Masari.io, and it has all the events on a calendar for you, so you never miss anything. It's really good.
Nice. Is that hold on, I'm just taking a short. Messari.io?
Yeah, Messari.io.
Is that like MESSR? Messari?
I think it's SARI.io.
SARI. Is that right? Yeah, cool.
Yeah, know
Sadly,
about
it's
this one.
another
Looks
website
cool.
you have to pay for, just like everything else. But it's
Yeah.
a pretty decent website. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, looks nice.
So you got news stuff down here, and then oh, the other thing I wanted to mention on stream today. Well, this is completely unrelated to. But if anyone wants to, I don't know if I'm allowed to share this actually, but I really don't care. Basically, Bybit are making a decentralized exchange. So there is or they're not making one, but they are heavily invested into one, and they're generating the liquidity for a decentralized exchange on the Sushi platform. So essentially, you're like that. So there's a new DAO thing, whatever, coming out soon. BitDAO, which is, I guess, a partnership between SushiSwap and.
What is that? Is that a
Bybit.
coin, BitDAO?
I think it is, yeah. So I think they're doing an ICO launch, so you can.
Oh no way! I'm all over this.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to be dropping a little bit into this. I'm not entirely sure if I should be sharing this, but they did tell us about it today. So
No, if that website's public, then I don't see why not.
Yeah, I think it's fine. But yeah, I'll post the link onto this into general chat, and people can have a look at it if they want to. But yeah, it's a decentralized exchange kind of thing. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but Bybit are involved and Sushi Swap are involved, which are two pretty good projects. You've also got BitDAO. Let's go onto their website. It's got all the big boys. Like if you're looking for like a proper project, you've got Peter Thiel's in it, Bybit's in it. You've got other stuff. I don't do too much of these ICO things, but it's quite an interesting project. So I was told about that today, so check it out. I'll paste this quickly into the general chat if anyone does want to have a look at this.
Hey, that is golden. Thank you.
That's all right. So this is like the how we found Pussy Finance a while back. So
hey, Pussy Finance paid for my England ticket, so fuck you.
How's that doing as well? Really interesting to see. What's Pussy Cake token? I mean, this is probably not. Yeah, dead. Okay. Got some limit orders for shorts up here now. So let's see if they get filled. I don't know if I want to be shorting this, but I have taken one because that just looks nice. We'll see what happens on Ethereum if I can get filled in a short position. Okay, should we do the raffle because I think people are getting people are starting to want the raffle. P?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, when you want.
Yeah. Do you want to set up your screen share and we'll just do this?
Okay, let me just add
Sentient Luxury.
everybody.
It won't take long.
Yes.
We can
so
carry
good.
on talking TA afterwards, but I think we gotta get this done for the for everyone who's
For sure.
Just give me 2 minutes to set it up.
Sure.
Yeah.
Also, we're not. Let's get this up to 50 likes. Let's get the video up to 50 likes, and then we'll do the raffle. Because yeah, 50 likes is 50 likes. We like 50 likes. All participants. Stop share. Cool. Showing up on my thing. There we go. Cool. Trends UK. Hi mate, what do you think of LTC? Yeah, Litecoin is. I'm very bullish on Litecoin. Have a look at like any of my videos recently, and you'll know that I'm very bullish on Litecoin right now. It's come into some resistance, and what I was looking for like the actual leverage trade on this was this 2018 all-time high. I think that's the last major resistance we have on the chart before we come up here. So I would be expecting a pullback. I'd be interested again around $156 if we get a pullback. But yeah, as far as the Litecoin BTC chart goes, I am looking at 4,000 sats up here somewhere, and then I'd probably be looking at again at a pullback. So yeah, maybe we put in a range around here and then we start to move up again. So kind of what I'm looking at on Litecoin. Let's have a look at some other things. Well, if Cardano succeeds, then the projects on it, like Cards, OCC, and others, could pump too. Yeah, if Cardano are announcing smart contracts and there are smart contracts coming out on Cardano, I'll 100% be buying those. on only like maybe not as soon as they launch, but I do quite like Cardano. And I do also think we've had it. Like, this has been so nice to trade, like just looking at the range that we've been in and that being a big deviation, and then we come back into the range and you can just complete like really big confidence in just buying this area down here. And now we're seeing a breakout again. It's yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, P, the wheel is there. I see it.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, hold on a second.
I think so. Just if somebody cannot see their name over there, just tag me, please.
Cool. The wheel is on the screen. Let me zoom that in a little bit more. Okay, so if what one are we doing now?
Well, it's the trial one.
We're doing trial and then we're doing EXO.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So yeah, if anyone did enter the trial, the raffle for the for the trial, and you do not see your name on the list, then do message P quickly. You've got 1 minute. Or just type it in the chat and then we can just figure it out. Oh, I need to get beer after this.
What's this first raffle for?
2-week crew membership.
Oh, that's nice.
Crew trial, yeah. Alexandru, you did get the crew trial membership. you won that like a few weeks ago. So you can't enter again. If you've already had the trial, you can't re-enter for a trial. That's maybe if we run out of people that want a trial, we'll allow re-entries, but you've already won. Khalut, and no legacy, like you don't need to tag us either because you're already in the crew, and we'll be doing the exo charts raffle in a minute.
Yeah, in a few minutes. Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Yeah, let's just spin the wheel because I think everyone is
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Spin the wheel. Oh god.
Who's gonna do the countdown? Senti, you?
Senti, do the countdown.
Yeah, okay.
10, 9, 8,
Why?
7,
It's just
6,
not too long.
5, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
You completely missed out the number 4, but yeah, nice one.
That's all right. Okay. Just
Got sussed 1, 2. Oh shit. Sorry, Alexandru. Yeah, actually didn't enter the raffle. So let's add his name on there just quickly because he didn't enter the raffle the first time.
all right.
It was
Yeah.
It was a
Sorry for
coach's
that.
choice.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I forgot.
sorry.
Okay.
We need to remember that. Apologies for that.
Organization, huh? As always.
I mean, you know, we're completely professional.
But okay, is he
Actually,
watching?
Yeah, if you. Oh man, that screen's so tiny. Sust1200. If you are here, then yeah, please do claim your prize. Alexandru, we will enter you onto the next round. And also, She Trends UK. I'm not quite sure who you are on. Yes, he's there. Perfect, got it.
Yeah,
So
cool. Yeah, he also sent me a message. Yeah, great.
She Trends UK is. I've just had a message on the YouTube saying, oh, where are we going? Where are we? I've missed it. Already in crew. Can I win and give it to my friend? So I think we'll allow that. But I don't know who you are on the crew membership. Is that? I don't know. Should we allow that? I think on this occasion we should. If you want to add a name,
He's giving it to somebody else in the crew. Why not?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if anyone that's in the crew wants to give a trial membership to a friend and wants to enter them into the raffle, then again, you can just type it in the chat and add a name onto the list. I think that's fair. I think that's quite good. It's TJ. Okay, cool. Do you want to just add TJ onto the... Wait, we've got 2 TJs in the crew, I think.
I don't know. I don't see any tag on.
TJ,
on
can you just... We've got TJ and we've got TJS. So I'm not quite sure which one.
TJS won 2 weeks ago, if I'm not wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So
I'm going to this festival tomorrow where Dizzy Rascal's playing, and he's just been like charged with assault. But he's still got he's gonna like play the festival and then he's going to jail. So it's quite funny. He's gonna be like whisked off to jail straight after he plays the festival.
Oh no way!
Yeah.
You're going to the same festival as I am.
What, are you there, South? Well, actually, I won't say what it is. We're live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
SF.
Yeah. Are you gonna be there?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yes, we'll have a beer.
talking about creepy, huh?
Yeah, that's mad. Oh man. He's been charged with domestic assault.
You guys can go together, you know?
Yeah, we'll grab a beer when we're there. I was there on Thursday as well. I went because they do the free events there on the Thursdays as well.
Oh, that I didn't know. That's pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, gin tonic for Senti, you know, beer is not so posh. So
Yeah, they got gin and tonic there because I was at the bar there yesterday. It was good.
okay.
That's why I was a little hungover this morning because I went there last night. So yeah. Cool. All right, let's spin. Have we added? What are we doing?
Yeah, I think you're drinking a little bit too much. You know, you're losing the plot. I just add, Alexandro, and that's
Okay.
it.
Yeah, sure. Oh wow, yeah, we've had it. Let me just hold on. Another just massive drop on open interest on Bitcoin right now. So I'm looking to take a short position here. Oh, I did get filled on Ethereum. Hold on, I've got to trade this. Possibly. Right. I'm at the very least just taking more profit on my long because of what's going on now. I'll look for a short in a minute, I think. Yeah.
Okay, should we do another one?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Spin the wheel.
How's the weather in the UK?
Wow, Alexandro.
Alexandru just been added to the wheel, and he is a winner.
Lucky guy, huh?
There we go. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Luxury. The weather in the UK is pretty good. Actually, no, it's not. It's like pretty average. It's like 23 degrees and just sunny.
UK weather, right?
Yeah, it's typical UK weather. It's all right.
Congratulations, Alex.
Yes, congratulations. Is that the 2 weeks crew membership trial?
Yes.
Yeah, that's going to be nice.
Is he around?
Oh, yeah, he's around.
Okay, cool.
Just got added to the list and wins it straight away.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Lucky one.
Lucky.
Okay, let's do the last one.
Last spin of the wheel. I know.
Yeah, he was doing.
Yeah, Monsieur Benji has been here like every single time we've done a trial and has not. I'm giving positive vibes on Friday the 13th to Monsieur Benji.
Or maybe Alexander can just donate him.
Yeah. We also have why is Callan on there?
But he didn't win anything before, so.
Oh, did he tag? I was just gonna say.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
Ah, yeah, cool. Nice.
Yeah, he did.
Okay,
let's do the last one.
Yeah, it wasn't. It was the.
Was the Euro one? Yeah.
A trial, yeah, but it's the Euros. Yeah, cool. Cool. All right, 3, 2, 1. Spin the wheel.
Wow, this was tight, huh? I don't know how to pronounce that.
Wait, where is it?
R1.
It's Ricker.
It's Ricker, yeah. Ricker.
R2D2, yeah.
Yeah, Ricker.
Is he around?
Congratulations, Ricker.
Yeah.
Ooh, make that smaller. Move that back over there. Cool.
Yeah, he's here. Yes, I can see.
Yeah, I can
typing.
see typing. Yeah. All right. So that is the 3 trial memberships done. We'll do this again in 2 weeks. So Shiva and K9 Crypto, make sure you're around in 2 weeks' time. We will do this again. We every couple of weeks we give away 3 2-week trials to the crew membership. So.
But yeah, we have a lot of surprises tonight. So I thought you forgot, but maybe.
Are we announcing all the surprises?
Yeah, I think you started drinking a little bit, early today.
I mean, I'm not. I'm. Yeah, it's not even that I'm drinking. It's just a Yeah, Friday night
Yeah.
stream, they're weird. I never quite know what I'm doing on these streams, so yeah. Okay, so shall we do exo charts? Or what should we do?
If you allow me a couple of minutes, yeah. I mean, why don't have a nice chat with the lads and give me some time, okay?
Yeah.
So I will prepare that.
Cool.
Also prepare me a drink as well, you know.
Yes, I want to go prepare myself a drink as well.
Okay. So Senti and Luxury just can talk each other for 5 minutes.
yeah. Do either of you guys want to do a screen share or anything?
Not at the moment. I've got like personal shit like all over the place.
So do I. Give me.
We don't want to know, you know.
Yeah, you don't want to know what tabs you've got open.
Do you know what? I won't screen share, but I'll talk and answer questions, etc. I can still talk through it.
Cool. Let's do that. What I will do, I'm just gonna leave Bitcoin.
Leave the Bitcoin chart up, yeah.
Yeah, do that.
Let's leave Bitcoin on XO up. Or let's just do it on. Let's look at AgriTrade. AgriTrade's got all the interesting information. So I'm leaving AgriTrade up. Senti and Luxury will answer questions from the YouTube chat for the next few minutes, and I'm gonna go get a beer. So I'll be back in a sec.
Yeah. So I'm just looking locally, and we seem to have a bit of bullish CVD. I mean, it's again really locally. People can be seen maybe early shorting this again.
Yeah. My plan is I'm offloading spot. The higher we go, I just keep
exactly
offloading spot.
It's the same as me. Yeah.
I think everybody needs to remember that we're coming into major resistances, and if I'm not saying this is, but there's always a possibility that this is the dead cat bounce, which leads us further down past 28k.
Exactly.
Why would you not take risk off the table? You can always add that risk back on if we clear up higher. But you have to de-risk yourself, right? Especially if you've got large money on the line, like you just can't be fucking about with that money.
You can't be fucking like holding this, all the way up, expecting this to just break for everything and go to all-time highs. But then again, what you can't also do is sell everything. I mean, you could. I mean, why not? Depends if you're in profit.
I'm more happy to sell the 50k and then buy back in higher. If I miss $5,000 or 10,000, doesn't really matter to me, right? It's all about the risk that you put on the table.
Exactly. I think, taking some off now is definitely really good. I mean, I've been taking some off, when we hit 42k, I took a little bit off even like top of the range. And then as we've kept coming up, I've taken, some off at 45k, 40, wherever, all these resistances. I'll take even more if we keep going up. Basically the same as you. Yeah. I think everything's moving up really nicely though. I think Ethereum is a really nice one to be looking at though. That daily order block, golden pocket, daily level, which is really nice, I think.
Yeah. Like if for Ethereum short, I'm looking slightly higher personally. I'm looking probably another $100 or so.
Yeah, from where we are now.
Yeah, from where we are now.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, so that's like 33.50 or 33 in that region above.
Yeah, something from 33.50 to 34.50, something in that region. Basically, the golden pocket region.
Yeah, exactly what I've got as well. So.
But if Ethereum can clear this,
then wow.
And hold it as support, then yeah, you're going to be looking up. You'll be looking at all-time highs, like probably well past all-time highs. But I do think Ethereum is a buy and hold. If you like to buy assets for a long period of time, I do think Ethereum is one for the future.
Yeah,
just the way the project is headed, just from a fundamental point of view, the way the project is headed, just the fact that it not only does it have amazing use cases, right? But now it's added in a deflationary factor to the asset. Like it's just a win-win in my eyes.
Yeah, I agree with that. That's something I'll always be holding a lot of a good amount of my portfolio in Ethereum.
Yeah, and like Luke was saying, like at some point ETH will decouple from Bitcoin?
I hope so.
Yeah, at some point it will do that. Like, obviously nobody knows. Is it going to be in a years from now? Is it 5 years from now? Is it 10 years from now? Who knows? But at some point it will decouple.
Yeah. I mean, now in real life, I've got a few people ask me like, "What should I buy?" And I told them nothing. You know.
Oh yeah, I don't. Yeah, you don't want to be buying up here. Everything's into resistances and stuff.
Yeah, especially I feel like Bitcoin's will hit decent resistance. This could be like a little well, this local bullish CVDs forming is like I could maybe even see this going higher.
If somebody comes to me who's totally new to crypto, he is not interested in trading, but he wants to get exposure to the market, I'll always say the best way to get exposure to the market is DCN. If you got $1,000 to put into the market, buy $100 worth every month on the same day. That's the way to get exposure to the market.
I'm back.
Hello.
Okay, so Bitcoin's just had that other move up. Are we in?
Yeah, those bullish divergences seem to be
yeah, through that.
People want to short this.
Let's just see it open. What was all this that Long's closing out? Yeah, we're not seeing any selling going on, but set back up the screen share of you guys. Just what concerns me at the moment. Fairly likely we're going to get bearish divergence on this rather than at least locally. And open interest is just falling apart, like no kind of. Let's check my position. Okay, so questions in the chat again. Dimitar Venov. Apparently someone market bought BTC for 100 million on Binance Spot. Yes, they did. That we watched that as it happened. I think what that was likely to be, I don't think someone market bought 100 million. I think someone got stopped out 100 million. So at the time we were looking at it and we could see 100 million in buys coming in, but just by the drop off in open interest, I'm fairly certain that would have been a stop loss being hit for 100 million. And the fact that it was spread out over such a wide amount shows me that it was more likely to be stop losses. So short positions being stopped out or liquidated than it was to be actually someone buying that. So that's why I'm looking for shorts possibly at this point. Because yeah, I don't know, Luxury Sensei, what your thoughts on that are, but I think it's much more likely that that was a stop loss being hit than an actual market buy.
Yeah, that's what I'm inclined to think at the moment, just from a quick view at that. I mean, I don't know who's going to be market buying up here.
Exactly, yeah. That's the thing. All the volume was up at the top after.
Yeah. I was watching the tape. I was watching the tape. I didn't see any 100 million buy. market
No.
buys. So
No,
I'm
it came
I'm
in
confident.
stages, so it would have been a stop loss, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it came in stages. It was like we could see it. We could see it on. Let's just go real low time frame, and we'll know exactly what it was if we go really, if it will let us go that low time frame.
And again, what's going to be nice to pay attention to now, again, this is more like a day trade type thing, is the single prints that we formed on that move up now.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're quite large. From like 47,370 to 46,700. You got single prints now.
Right.
And
Yeah.
if we're thinking about the day ahead, well, actually, it's a Saturday, potential 80% bearish setup, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
If we start to, I don't know. But it's quite obvious take profit region at the moment.
Yeah. Trying to go back and see. There it is. That's the move. No.
It could just continue to move up, to be honest. Why not?
So this is where it all came in. Yeah, that's got to be stops. There.
Most likely it was stops. Let's be real.
Yeah.
Just with the open interest and the liquidations, like it
Mhm.
looks like it was stops.
Yeah, so many
Yeah.
liquidations.
Yeah.
Yeah, 150 million on that move.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Paul H, you guys say you are taking some off the table on the way up. Are you paying yourselves with stablecoin? Are you accumulating more BTC or both? I personally do both. I trade mainly invest perpetuals, but I do trade altcoins and I do kind of take like hedged positions in USDT. So yeah, I trade both. But with Bitcoin, like specifically, I do trade the inverse perpetual on that, so I'm accumulating more Bitcoin. How about you two?
In terms of taking profits on
Just I think just trading in
just trade,
general.
yeah,
Yeah.
trade the inverse perpetuals and then trade spot off. I trade inverse perpetuals on Bybit and FTX and then spot off Coinbase, even though the Coinbase fees are retarded.
That's the
Yeah.
same with me. Well, yeah, I trade the inverse perpetuals, and then my spots is more, well, I've moved over to Bybit now, so that's what I do spot now, and
Yeah.
just
When
selling
I'm-
a bit of spot on this move up, to be honest. So
Yeah, when I'm hedging, I hedge by either Bybit or I hedge on Deribit.
yeah, a bit.
Yeah, on the options.
The options, yeah. Okay, I've just been told as well that our good friend had created another script. So we have this script from
What is this script?
our friend. So he's really awesome at making these scripts. So on this we get all of the EXO stuff that we like. So we're getting our daily high, previous day high, open EQ. Do we get previous day value areas? Not on this one. We've got VWAP. Let's take a look at it. Whoops. This is pretty cool. So we can remove the... So this gives us VWAPs on our chart of daily and weekly. Oh man, I like this a lot. We've got daily, weekly, monthly, yearly VWAP on the chart. We've got... It also gives us our daily, weekly and monthly highs, lows, EQs and opens. This is really cool. Thank you. Thank you, friend, for creating this again. This is awesome. Really, really cool.
Yeah, that guy's awesome. Like,
Yeah. It's just really, it's really interesting just to see these levels, because what you can do, like, I wouldn't, just for finding like confluence with stuff and being able to just to quickly like flick something on to the chart, that's really nice. So I'm just going to post this into our templates and scripts on the Discord.
$46.60.
Okay. Yeah, that's really useful levels to have. Thank you for making that. So we can combine that with our Spaceman levels as well, with our Monday stuff. Well, this just gives us all sorts of juicy stuff to trade. And everything
yeah,
at
it's
the moment is to
basically
the downside.
Exa.
Yeah. That's great. Really, really great. Flow Moten something or other. That's exactly what I asked Luxury for earlier. So yeah, this has been, yeah, it's been requested for, and a friend has delivered. What would be your trigger to short? I have taken a short on ETH. It wasn't there, but I did take a short on ETH when we came up into this. On Bitcoin,
I know what mine would be, but I'm interested to hear what yours are.
Bitcoin.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I'm very happy to short this as I don't know. I think I need a bit more time on the Bitcoin chart, because Bitcoin does hang out a bit longer. For something like Ethereum, I just kind of just hold on to what I have on that, and 3,300 was a level that I was looking at selling. Yeah, I think with Bitcoin, I think the chances are we're going to hang out here for a while, and we've got Saturday coming up, so I wouldn't be surprised to see this continue higher. And then I'm looking at levels up here at 49. But yeah, not particularly interested in going like getting too exposed into short positions up here. So I've again taken profit on the long, and the short position that I did have from here, I did close out of that as we were getting this move up, just in case. And yeah, certainly looking to get back into shorts, but we'll see how that goes. I have a really itchy nose and it's very annoying. I'm going to turn my camera off and blow my nose.
You might want to turn your mic off as well.
Okay, I'm back. So if you want to do the EXO one,
Yeah, 1 second as well, guys. Just gonna go real quick.
Yeah, I just had, sorry, P, I just had to blow my nose because I've got a super itchy nose. Okay. Can you share your target on ETH short? Oof. This might not be the best advice, short. What I'd like to see on Ethereum is to come back down towards like 2,800 area. I think that would be a nice area to look if this does start to retrace, but it's a long way down when we're in an uptrend. Basically just looking for a little, again, hedged on this because I've got a lot of spot Ethereum that I don't really want to be selling. So yeah, if I can take a 1x short off of this, then kind of covers the spot holdings that I've got. I don't... Targets. What am I looking at? Yeah, this is certainly more a capital preservation short rather than an actually wanting to make more Ethereum or make more money short. Stephen, MTF isn't public, so can't add it to my TradingView charts. If you save it as a favorite on the link that I just gave you, then you should then be able to see it within your indicators. That's the way that I do it. So you save it as a favorite and then it pops up here and then you can look at it. P, should we do the raffle?
oh, when you want.
Hmm?
Sure, when you want. Just let me share the screen.
Yes. Cool. Ready when you are.
Can you see it now?
I can see. Let me just put it up on
Okay.
the... Whoa! What's going on there? Crazy. Okay, there we go. So this is now on the screen. And... So this is the... So we're going to be doing 2 more 3 months EXO charts. I'm going to turn my camera off because I'm feeling... Right, we're going to be giving away 2, 3
yeah,
months
2, 3
extra
months,
charts.
yes.
Giveaways, that's the one. Alright, let's, 3, 2, 1, spin the wheel. And again, if you are, you can only, are we doing this? You can only claim it if you're watching again. Oh, Randall's so close. Who was it? Ah, Random
Congratulations,
Chaos.
yeah.
Congratulations, Random Chaos.
Yeah,
You
he's
are
actually one of
winning.
the new guys. So yeah,
Yes.
Congrats. We're gonna tag him on general then later.
Yeah. We'll give the Exo Charts memberships a bit longer because they don't necessarily need to be watching right
Yep.
now. Cool. And then we'll just do one more.
Okay.
There's people that's wait, is Ari there? Is Ari on the wheel? Someone's just asked, Arash has just asked if Ari is on the wheel, who is a crew member.
Who's Ari?
ARI. Ari. Ari is in the crew, isn't he? Yeah.
Okay. Let's do another one.
Wait. Is he on the wheel?
No, not that I see. But Just let me see. Let me just check it out. Just a minute.
And BB, not there. And Mr. Gizzer. Are we doing... Oh, is this because people have won already?
Can be.
Yeah, I think BB has won before because... Oh no, I thought it was a 3 month. And VJ. P man, I thought you'd done that.
Yeah.
There's loads of people saying. Alright, everyone, okay. We're gonna give this one, we're gonna do... Okay, Mr. Giz has found himself. Cool.
Okay, let me add BB now. And you say Ari, but I don't know who is Ari.
Just add Ari, A-R-I. And Kalut, Alex. Does not see his name on the wheel either. I need to actually look at this properly myself. Apologies, this is going to go massive on the screen right now. Oh no, Ari's there. Oh, I forgot. Ari is there and BB's there. Why can't people just look at their names?
Because I just add them, you know. Like
oh, right.
Yeah. That's why they're there.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're probably covered now. I think we're good.
Okay. Let's go then.
Alex Kalut. Actually, let's just do that. And Sam NG, who, like, just tag us in the chat because we're not going to know who you are on Discord unless you tag us in the chat. We should have everyone on here, but...
Oh.
Oh, man. Alex Kalut.
Okay, let me just stop sharing for a second. Let me correct these, you know.
Oh, man. Okay. Oh, Pete's face is like massive on the screen. Okay.
So yeah,
oh, we're so professional.
Kalut Alex.
Yes.
Actually, you know what? We can do just an extra one because my mistake. So we can do 3 tonight. I think that's fair enough. Because a couple of guys were in the...
That almost like takes us to the end of our ExoCharts memberships, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, we are kind of close of
we'll have to try and get some more off Farron.
Okay, here Shiva, this is not for you. This is for the crew.
you can't
yeah,
oh,
yeah, okay.
Oh man. Let me just do this. Shiva and Mr. Potato Head.
Okay, we're gonna do 2 more, and yeah, that extra one because my mistake. Sorry, guys.
Okay. Yes. Share screen again.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Nope. Yep. I don't know. I can't see it, but it's on my stream. Oh yeah, I can see it. Great. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Spin the wheel. I need to look over on this screen. Oh.
Wow,
Fib
this is
Trader.
another new one. Yeah.
Yes. Nice. I need to make this bigger. This is really going to mess up everything on the stream. And there we go. That's looking better. Okay, congratulations, Fib Trader. You have won 3 months of ExoCharts membership. So if you do not already have ExoCharts, then you do get free ExoCharts. And if you do already have ExoCharts, then you get 3 months without having to pay. Happy days. Cool.
Yeah,
Let's
not bad.
do. Okay, we're gonna do the last one.
Yeah, the last one. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Luxury, are you still there?
Click, click.
Yes, I am here. I am here.
Count us down, Luxury.
Okay,
Send us
all
a
right.
countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's spin that wheel. Go on.
Yeah.
Spin it. Who is it going to be?
Oh,
PK.
PK is
congrats.
the winner.
I see him about a lot, so that's nice.
PK is a good guy.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Congratulations to PK, to Fib Trader, and to who won it earlier?
You already forgot.
Yeah, I forgot. Congratulations to everyone who has won today.
Was something like random chaos or?
Oh yeah, it was, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, congratulations everybody.
Yes. Okay, cool. I think that's the wheel stuff done. Are we going to do the other announcement? Are we able to do that, or?
Which one?
I'm
not sure what you want to know.
Hey, you guys are full of surprises tonight.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. I think you should, Why not? Or you want to wait for, I don't know, Monday or Tuesday, whatever. Yeah, now okay, poker now.
Yeah, should we just do poker night? Because
well, okay.
I mean, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, poker night it is. So if anyone would like to join in on the poker night, then we have poker night here ready to go. So I'm going to copy this link. I am going to send it to.
I'm going to go eat my food and observe the poker.
Yes.
And, I'm going to learn to play poker because.
Nice. I had a bit of practice.
That seems like a weekly occurrence.
Yeah,
and I'm gonna get some snack and then no issue on you guys.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll hop back in though if something with Bitcoin happens as well, of course.
Yeah, I think we've probably seen the move for tonight, but
yeah,
we'll
exactly.
see what happens. So I've got to put this Zoom thing over this so no one sees my cards when we start doing that. And then tactical analysis. Hey brother, sorry I'm late. The kids have COVID exposure and had to be picked up from camp early. Ouch. Oh man. Okay, so poker tournament. We do have if anyone is watching this that did enter the last poker tournament, your buy-in is kind of, I guess,
It's
like
double
actually,
the price.
yeah, you gotta pay double, or even though you've already paid me already. How to work this? So TJ would like to join poker. Okay, if anyone wants to join the poker tournament, please just tag me in the chat. And if you have already paid the buy-in from the last tournament or the last game, then again just message me and I'll send you the link.
And make sure you check that your money's been sent. Otherwise, if you win, it's going to be a null and void.
Yes, and then we'll have to do this all over again. And I'll just keep taking everyone's money until we have a game that wins. Oh. Harry would like to join the poker. Cool.
What was the buy-in last time? 35, wasn't it?
$50.
Oh, it's,
Yeah,
okay, yeah, 50.
£35.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, Stefan, sorry you did not win the Exo Charts membership. Maybe next time. We've got a few more left to give away, and then we'll have to try and blag a few more, I guess.
Restock.
Yeah. Yeah. The other announcement I do want to make tonight for anyone who is still here is that we are going to be doing the Bybit World Series of Trading in about a week. So yeah, we've got this coming up. So starting on the 18th of August. So I'll make an announcement within the chat for this, but we do have the Bybit World Series of Trading coming up. So that would be good fun. Big prizes, like $6 million prize pot to be won.
Would that be only on the USDT pair? Or does that involve the perpetuals? Or you're not sure?
It'll be mainly perpetuals. Yeah. Yeah, the USDT is another one, but I think it's they normally do it mainly on perpetual contracts. This one, so I'll have to just check. I think it's overall. Let's have a look. But yeah, so if anyone wants to join this, we'll be making an announcement about this very soon. So as soon as we've got our kind of portal thing set up for this. So I still have the Zoom thing right in the middle of the chat so no one can see what's going on. But yeah, we will be doing this from the 18th of August, and we're going to go head to head with some other communities and things as well. So that'll be good fun. And I'll be doing a lot of that live trading as well. So I will trade these live. Okay. Cool. I think actually what I'm going to do now, because we've only got 44 viewers left, and often like at the end of the night this kind of dies out a bit and it's a bit just Crypto Prince knows what's going on. I mean, I'm trying to get this going. I don't know if we'll have enough numbers to get the publicity out of that, but yes, I certainly do want to go head to head with certain other people within this competition. And if anyone from that other community is watching, I want to go head to head on this. That was my plan. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to end the stream here, and we're going to do poker just within the Discord, I think, because last time I'd rather just chill out now. I don't really want to be doing this on YouTube. Too much stuff to think about. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Again, I will make an announcement on the World Series of Trading competition over the weekend or on Monday. And what you'll have to do in order to join in on this is you will need to have a Bybit account registered to our affiliate account in order to trade within this competition. But we're looking to take some money here. So yeah. I'm very confident we will be able to beat a lot of people. Anyway, I'm going to end this here, and thank you for watching. We'll do the poker within the Discord. So I'll see everyone later. Cheers, guys.